It is so satisfying to just get your hands in the dirt in the middle of November. Hey everyone, so I'm outside in the greenhouse and I figured I might as well show you guys what's going on in the greenhouse. I am getting dirty out here. It is currently 70 degrees in here and I just finished filling the greenhouse, insulating the greenhouse with leaves. I've got leaves everywhere. I've got leaves all in my pots over there. Over here, I've got leaves. I've got leaves in the pepper pots over there. So I have insulated the greenhouse with leaves and wood chips. But I don't have enough in the greenhouse, so I'm going to start transplanting some more of the lettuce and things that I have in the garden into the greenhouse so that they can continue to grow. So that's what I'm doing today. I never have a glove handy, so, or else there was a glove right there and I just didn't put it on. Anyway, but I got into this pot here. Let me turn you guys around. So I got into this pot here. This was the pot that I had that volunteer watermelon growing. And I basically took that out and put it into this compost here. I did notice there were a couple of mushrooms in here. So that was good. I saw some red wigglers in here. So that was exciting. So this bucket here should be nice, and look at that. It should be nice and fertile. Where'd he go? Oh, I lost him. But there's worms in here. They are munching on this beautiful compost and the rabbit manure that I have mixed in here. So it is so satisfying to just get your hands in the dirt in the middle of November. Alright, so I'm going to get some lettuce and things transplanted in here so that I still have greens growing for the winter. I also went ahead and leaf mulched this whole bed here. There's still stuff growing underneath there, but I went ahead and threw the leaves on there. I leaf mulched this empty spot that I had here. I added more insulation to the garlic over here, as well as the garlic that's over here. I added some more leaves, some more insulation there. I'm going to transplant some of this lettuce into the greenhouse, as well as this lettuce here into the greenhouse, and probably I'm going to try to get a lot of the spinach put in there, and maybe the pak choi. The 1,000 head kale looks like it could go in there. So I'm going to try to get as much into the greenhouse as I can. I have more grow bags, as well as these other pots of compost. So I am going to get, these are the grow bags here. I would love to get that grow bag into the greenhouse. I wonder if my husband will do that for me. Yeah, I would love to get that into the greenhouse. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. I went ahead and leaf mulched all of this. There was a one of the bulbs had sprouted in here. I think it was the gladiolus. I went ahead and filled up the compost bin back up with the leaves. And I went ahead and put more leaves in here because it was already starting to get low. So I'm going to go ahead and put these on top of those. We're supposed to have some rain here on Saturday and Sunday, I think. Supposed to get a lot of rain going on. So that'll be good. I still have the row cover on there. Still have the row cover on. It's doing fine. But I'm going to go ahead and start getting some things transplanted. Alright, so I did get that mustard greens moved in here, which I did figure out that it is mustard greens. So I got my husband to move that in the greenhouse. I got some collards transplanted, some more lettuce, some cilantro, some kale, and there's a spinach in the middle there. And then those are some mustards from over here. And I'm just trying to see if they will spread out and get big. Over here I have 1, 2, 3, 4 spinach plants, another lettuce there, and then another lettuce here. This is droopy from transplanting, but it should perk back up. So, and then that's a 1,000 head kale. I might do some more transplanting. If it was up to me, I'd move everything in here, but yeah, I don't have enough containers for that. I did add some more material to the compost here. I added more coffee grounds and more garden waste and some more leaves, and I did water it a little bit. So I'm gonna get the greenhouse closed up now because it is now 60 degrees in here, and I don't want it to get any colder, so I'm gonna go ahead and close up. So I guess that's gonna do it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and until next time, the more you know, the more you grow. Bye, guys.